Hey everyone, in today's video, I want to show you the beauty of Trollhättan and what it's most famous for, the ship, lock, and waterways. If you are new to my channel, featuring Europe, I will be very happy if you would like to subscribe to see more beautiful videos. Trollhättan is situated only 75 km north of Gothenburg or only 30 minutes with train. Roughly 60,000 people live here. In this medium-sized town, you will find everything you need, and you will always be close to the nature. Let me show you the beautiful lookout spot named Kopar Clinton, 77 meters over the ocean. It is a 30-minute walk from the city center, and the last part is quite steep, but just look at this amazing view. Why don't you bring some Swedish fika and have a picnic up here, or even better, have a barbecue with loved one and overlooking the valley with streaming water. Since 1910, Trollhättan has generated electricity here at Trollhättan power plant, and from the beginning, this was the only place in Sweden to generate electricity from the force of water. We have now arrived at the most popular tourist destination of Trollhättan, the ship locks. Here the ship will use the locks to climb 32 meters on their journey between Gothenburg and Lake Vänern, the biggest lake in Sweden. Every year about 3.5 million tons of cargo is passing through these locks, and also 3,000 to 4,000 recreational boats. The locks that are in use today is the third generation of locks and was finished in 1916. The first generation was finished in 1800 and the second generation in 1844. There is right now plans for the fourth generation, so hopefully I can show you in a few years. After a few hours of walking up and down the locks and spotting ships, it is time for a break at nearby cafe to try their shrimp toast or maybe an ice cream. That's all for today's video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.